A lady's motorcycle came early in the morning. She said the motorcycle had been parked for half a year. She said it couldn't start. I tried the electric starter first. She said it was difficult to start every time and it took a long time to start. First, remove the seat screw to check the newly replaced carburetor. Let's start by removing the spark plug, which is very black. Replace it with a new one and tighten the spark plug and spark plug cap. Remove the battery cover and find the igniter. Replace it with a universal DC igniter. The igniter has a positive wire. It is best to connect this wire to the electric door lock wire. Many masters connect it directly to the battery for convenience. This is okay, but the igniter is always consuming power, so the battery will often after a few days of low power, the battery will be out of power, so it is not recommended to install it on the positive pole of the battery. Then open the air filter connection interface and use your fingers to rub the air inlet to let the gasoline go into the carburetor. It may be difficult to start the fire at first. If you can start it, you can't add oil. Don't worry, keep igniting it and try it a few more times. It's easy. I started it for the first time and added oil. It took more than 4 minutes to start. See if it's smooth now. Then connect the filter interface back to the carburetor, tighten the screws, and install the front guard of the seat bucket. Now try the electric start again. It starts immediately without waiting for 1 or 2 times. Install the seat bucket and screws. In this way, the problem of this car being difficult to start for about half a year has been solved. I share electric car and motorcycle repair videos every day. Do you think it is helpful to you? Please help like, collect,